Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to add fingerprint in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, if you want to add your fingerprint, so guys, you can add it. In this video guys, we will talk about how to add fingerprint. So let's see how to add it. First of all, open your phone setting. So guys, click on password and security. Guys, click on fingerprint. Guys, draw your pattern. Then guys, you can see add fingerprint option. So guys, which finger guys you want to add? So guys, we will take this one. So we will have to click here sensor only. So you can see done. So as we have add fingerprint. So as now you can see guys, we can open our phone with this finger and guys with thumb also guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to add fingerprint in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.